That was some funny shit. Did you record that?
I'm recording now.
Now? Did you record that over there?
No, because I didn't have my camera back then.
Oh, what are we recording? What's wrong? Hey!
Now we're beating him? Well, I have whips on my arm.
Did you see that? The water, I slipped, the water fell on my ass.
Oh my god. Stop taking pictures of my phone. Taking pictures of my phone.
Bad.
Would you shut up? Aw, did the poor baby get his feelings hurt?
Shut up. Well, I did.
Nobody cares about you! She does.
What?
She does.
What? Since when?
She's not. No. Ah, fuck you. Dude, she put a video. That stupid camera. She put a video of me and Kathy and our brother.